ఐవిన్ ఐపీ సర్వీసెస్ సంస్థ మేధో సంపత్తి హక్కులపై తొలిసారి జాతీయ స్థాయి మూడ్ కోర్ట్ కాంపిటీషన్ నిర్వహిస్తోంది. జూలై 4వ తేదీన కాంపిటీషన్ మొదలవుతుంది. 3 రోజులు కొనసాగుతోంది. ఉస్మానియా విశ్వవిద్యాలయం భాగస్వామ్యంతో ఈ కార్యక్రమం నిర్వహిస్తున్నారు. ఇందులో పాల్గొనేందుకు రిజిస్ట్రేషన్లు మొదలయ్యాయి. ఈ నెల 15 వరకు రిజిస్ట్రేషన్ చేసుకోవచ్చు.
It's pleasure to inform you that IVIN's first virtual national IPR Moot Court Competition 2020 is conducted in collaboration with Center for IPRs and Patent Facilitation Services of Usmania University and University College of Law, Usmania University. The dates of the competition are from 4th July to 6th July 2020. This Moot Court is first of its kind during COVID-19, either conducted through Zoom or Google. It is a combination of science and law students, as IPRs is a subject which is important for the law and science students. We already conducted a national moot court earlier and it was a great success. So I advise you to register for the moot court competition and gain update knowledge on IPRs. I wish the organizers and the students the very best for the competition.
We are very happy to be partnering with IVIN and Usmania Law University and CPAM for the India's first virtual national moot, specifically in intellectual property rights. As an MBA myself from IIM Bangalore, I am an enthusiast of corporate law in particular. And within that, because we run an edutech company, we understand the foremost eminence that intellectual property rights have. We have trademarks, we have copyrights, we kind of use them regularly. And we believe IVIN is doing a great job by conducting this national moot for all the top law schools in India, like National Law Schools, Symbiosis, and all the other deemed law schools. I think it's a wonderful opportunity for all the law students out there to participate in this virtual national moot and ensure that you kind of show your preeminence and your knowledge on IP.